Okay, I'm just going for it. I'm waiting on my first Brazilian to show up. My friend Melissa is brave enough to let me try. And while we're waiting on her, I thought I would do a little nose wax. And believe me, I know it's a big no-no. The nose hairs are there for a reason, blah, blah, blah. But I'm just doing just the edge, so nobody panic. I should be the one panicking here. So this is, I wax everything, but I don't do my nose. But while I'm waiting, I said, why not give it a shot. This is the Cherry by Sexy Smooth Wax. Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Oh, God. What am I doing? Let's not waste that. Let's go ahead while we're making a mess. Go ahead and do both. Why not? What have we got to lose? Okay. You can breathe out of your mouth. Don't panic. Okay, you're gonna squeeze that in there. This is first time of nose wax. It's a big no-no. You don't do this. They don't teach it in school. They don't. It's a big no-no. Okay. But look at that. It really wasn't that bad. I mean, when you wax everything, it's just another day at the office. Nice. I like that. Just a few there, so I'm gonna do that one again. It was not bad at all. What I was panicking about. When you wax everything, what's a little nose wax? I want to get this one a little better. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty impressive. No, it's a little. That's better. I'm gonna get my mirror. As we get older, we need a magnifying mirror. Little spot there. See. Just making a mess. Not really. Got it good that time. Yeah. About that. Nose wax, anyone? Don't be scared. It wasn't that bad. Nice. Got some more. Damn, I didn't even know I had that many nose hairs. Ooh. Okay, I can breathe a little better. Nice. I like. Want to get wax Sugar Sands Beauty Bar? Let me know.